Hi, this is Adriana, and this is another video about earthing, and this time it's about stress and electrosensitivity. So over the years, people have told them they are electrosensitive and suffer from exposure to common electromagnetic fields, such as from household wiring, cordless phones, cell phones, Wi-Fi. Research in Europe suggests that 3 to 6% of the population may be affected. They believe that such individuals frequently have a background of chronic stress and, as a result, weakened adrenal glands. Some have told them, in fact, that they have been diagnosed with adrenal problems. Typically, adrenal weakness goes undiagnosed, and symptoms of stress are usually treated with anti-anxiety drugs, antidepressants, and sleeping pills. And weakened adrenals can lead to a host of other problems. Electrosensitivity may be one of them. Doctors familiar with adrenal exhaustion indicate that individuals with this problem commonly have allergies, chronic pain, and fatigue, and sensitivity to multiple environmental factors such as wind, heat, noise, cold, certain foods, and chemicals. And earthing helps people cope better with these type of issues. So there's another reason to go earthing. So this is another video for SalesVision, and in SalesVision you'll find you can access the digital marketing software that you can use if you need to sell products, if you need to buy to find customers, if you need to generate leads for your multi-level marketing company and you don't want to bother friends and family. You can get access to this digital marketing software within SalesVision. You will find a link in the description below, and thank you for watching. Bye.